Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 6th January 2025. India's electric car industry is on the verge of a transformation, with the spotlight shifting to EVs that can go the extra mile, literally, as consumers increasingly demand vehicles capable of covering hundreds of kilometers on a single charge at prices comparable to petrol and diesel models. Manufacturers are racing to deliver. Almost 75% of electric passenger vehicle buyers in 2024 opted for vehicles with 300 to 500 kilometer range, and another over 10% went for higher range EVs. Leading car makers such as Mahindra and Mahindra, Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki, MG Motor and Hyundai are expected to roll out at least 10 new EVs offering ranges of 500 to 680 km per charge in the first half of 2025. SEBI has introduced the Mutual Fund Lite framework for passively managed mutual fund schemes to ease entry, reduce compliance costs and foster innovation. The Mutual Fund Lite framework applies to passive schemes such as Gold ETFs, Silver ETFs, and fund of funds investing solely in gold or silver ETFs. It also covers overseas ETFs and fund of funds based on a single underlying overseas passive fund, as well as passive funds tracking domestic equity indices with a collective AUM of INR 5,000 crore or more. SEBI has decided to introduce integrated filing for governance and financial periodic filings required under the LODR. The integrated filing shall be applicable for the filings to be done for the quarter ending 31st December 2024 and thereafter. As per the updated filing framework, governance filing shall be done within 30 days from the quarter end, whereas the financial filing shall be done within 45 days from the quarter end, except last quarter. Ministry of Corporate Affairs has notified amendment in Rule 12 1B of the Companies Accounts Rules 2014. As per the amended norms, the deadline for filing Form CSR2 for financial year 23-24 is extended from 31st December 2024 to 31st March 2025. Earlier, the SEBI issued Cybersecurity and Cyber Resilience Framework for the regulated entities. To address the concerns of the regulated entities, SEBI has issued a clarificatory circular. SEBI clarifies that the date of implementation of the circular on the KYC registration agencies is extended from Jan 1st, 2025 to April 1st, 2025. Further, depository participants' compliance timeline is extended from Jan 1st, 2025 to April 1st, 2025. Ministry of Home Affairs has clarified that if a consolidated income tax refund, including TDS for foreign contributions, is received in a non-FCRA bank account, the foreign currency portion should be transferred to the FCRA account. This transfer will not violate the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 2010. TDS deductions should be treated as foreign currency utilization, and any refund in the FCRA account will be reported as other income in the FC4 form, simplifying compliance for associations. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.